Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can add border around a video in CapCut PC. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have created a project in my CapCut PC and I'm going to add border around this video. If we want to add border, we have to go to the canvas menu. You can tap on your video and then go to the video section right here and scroll down until you find the canvas and choose the color. Okay, and here you'll be able to choose color for your border, and I'm just going to choose this white color, and we're going to zoom out our video to make it smaller like this. Okay, and to make it more symmetrical, I'm going to crop my video. I'm just going to click on this crop icon and I'm going to crop it right here. Okay, it's enough, and click on confirm, and I'm going to zoom in again. Okay, and this is the final result. Alright guys, and that's all the way to add border around a video in CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.